Then we have a problem.
The reason we
We have a situation. The telepath. I
Kecil
shouldn't be
gitu
able to
ya.
kill him at this point.